Hello there everybody, I am in my room in London, but I'm about to head to London Gatwick because today I'm going to Playlist Live in Orlando, Florida. Oof, this is like my 7th or 8th one. Crazy. Let's head to the airport.
Yep. What is it? That's not what I need. I need the Gatwick Express.
Alright, so last time I got to the airport 4 hours early, had to wait for 2 hours. This time I get there and they're like, you had 1 more minute. If you were 1 more minute late, we wouldn't let you boarded. Nailed it. It's 11:59 when I checked in. Okay, well flight leaves in about an hour. I don't know how it's that late, but let's head to departures. Duty free, duty free. I'm in duty free. Genuine question, have you ever bought something in duty free? I mean, I bought alcohol, but that's pretty much it. Got a whole row to myself. Not just this row. A whole row. Sweet. Just got the menu. What do we got today? Mile High Tea, which is just mozzarella and green pesto. That's not tea. It's sex. I can edit here, and I can put my food right here. And then, I don't know, storage over there. We're having an ice cream party on the flight. Ice cream party, everyone. We got a fab. I had my first ever big fab. Thank you for the fab.
We're having a fab time.
Yes?
The Irish like the drinking. Just like, no, I want to stand.
Just like Oktoberfest. Currently chilling up in Premium, which is also empty. How's it going, Doug?
Yeah.
Hoping to get some food.
Small food and tea. It's about that time.
Wow, we are basically gonna fall right out of the sky. Posey, there was a car on our flight in the hold. Where is it? Oh my gosh, that is a cool car. That was on our plane?
Yeah.
And my luggage is too heavy. How the heck? Welcome to the United States. That is a rough queue. Feels like we're going to Disney on this thing, man. Oh, and I missed it. That's alright. At least I get to see this lovely sunset. Wow. I love this part of the airport. The only redeeming quality about MCO is this lovely big hotel lobby with the giant elevator and the giant flag. But not those queues. It's like an hour and a half wait for the non-Americans. Just been sitting in this airport for an hour waiting for them to get through customs. What's the point of my US passport if I can't bring them with me?
NASA, Universal, Harry Potter, Disney.
All the things you need, yes. Welcome to the airport. You can get everything here and then also sleep here in the hotel. 8A. There is no 8A. We're in 9. There's 7. They're paging Evan Eding. And that's me, I think. I think I'm Evan Eding. I thought that was an avocado and I got very excited. It's just a banana.
Also, did she say please move your body to
Yeah, she said
8A?
please move your body to 8A. We were in 7 and 9. We're gonna have to ask her information. I don't know what to do at this point. Evan Eding and Doug Armstrong. Evan Eding and Doug Armstrong have now finally found their ride. We had to ditch the Irish lads. They had to get an Uber. And then we're gonna get some Cheesecake Factory. Oh, I'm so hungry. Let's go. Oh, sick. Wow, this camera has such a good zoom. That is insane. Look at this zoom. This is insane. Hi. Hello. I am an ant! What the frick? I bet you thought I was gonna come through the door. Well, guess what? Not this time. Always mixing it up. Evan Edinger Travel. So, we've now gotten to our rooms. I have my own room this year. I never get a room. I'm just Dodie's couch friend. Well, Dodie's couch friend is gonna get cheesecake. So, let's go to Cheesecake Factory. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. Wow, it's the Irish people's first Uber. They just have Halo or free now or whatever.
We got one from the airport, so it's actually second. So we just get rid of this.
This ruined my shot. Here we are. Thank you very much. Willkommen nach Cheesecake Fabrik. Cheesecake Factory in German. Käsekuchenfabrik. That's where we are right now. Glam burgers. Do it for the glam. Some people think that American bread is very sweet, you see. And this is pumpernickel. This is our brown bread. So I just want to know what your thoughts are.
Definitely just cake.
Oh my god. I'm eating cake.
It is not cake. It is bread.
Talking of you. Like, you give just little kids different sandwiches. Like, it's so bad. Like, I don't even want to look.
The chicken Madeira. The chicken and bickies.
The most American dish.
Those aren't even biscuits, Sean. They're real American biscuits. And there's your beast.
Yes. Oh my god. All right. You will be getting a food baby. There you go.
Thank you very much.
That's a burrito
Right,
for
guys,
you.
enjoy.
I've never had the Cinnabon cheesecake before, but I'm incredibly excited to try.
I'll be back to fill the water, so, okay?
Cinnabon cheesecake is one of the best cheesecakes I've had here. Oh my god. It's good. This is one of the best ones I've ever had. Jesus Christ.
Probably now, guys. Probably now. I finished my cheesecake.
Like that kid from Matilda, the chocolate cake. That's you now.
I did it.
Well done.
Actually, it's a little bit there of it.
Okay. Oh my god. That was the most cheesecake I've ever eaten. I can't even move. Oh boy. Okay. Thanks for watching today's travel vlog from flying to Orlando, having fun with the people. Tomorrow's first day of Playlist Live. It is the industry day, and I'm moderating a panel, which is exciting. And I'm also going to be like just doing, Playlist Live stuff, Orlando stuff. Hopefully, swimming by the pool. I'm sorry, I am so jet lagged. It's like 5 a.m. in my head, and I'm high off of eating too much food. I've never felt this way before. It's very strange. Hope you've enjoyed this weird hodgepodge of video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Hope to see you tomorrow for Playlist Live. I'll see you then. Goodbye.